What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a straightforward guide on how to create your first post on BlueSky Social Network. BlueSky is a decentralized platform designed as an alternative to traditional social networks, allowing for greater users' control and privacy. By following the steps, you'll navigate the posting process with ease. So let's get started. First, locate the BlueSky app. After you locate the BlueSky app, tap on it. In the BlueSky app, locate the post icon, which is usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Now locate the post icon, tap on it. From here, you can write on what's on your mind. At the bottom of the post section, you can see the logo of the photo where you can post photos, the video logo where you can post a video, the camera logo where you can take photos head-on while posting, and a GIF where you can post with a GIF. For example, I'm going to post "I'm new here" with a GIF of fun with SpongeBob. If you're done with what's on your mind to post, tap on Post. It is usually located at the top right of the screen. And congratulations! You successfully created your first post on BlueSky. Remember to engage with responses and interact with your audience to build a community. As you become comfortable, explore additional features such as reposting or replying to others to enhance your experience on the platform. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.